In the real world, and I found myself in the real world. I'll meet you there in the real world. I'll see you in the real world, free from the guilt and oppression, free from the constant depression, open to just feel the emotion, away from hatred and judgment, free from the killing and fighting. I'll meet you there in the real world.
Es como ir debajo de la piel, ir adentro, ir a algo más profundo. Y entonces ahí pasan cosas misteriosas. Decía que la música no le pertenece a nadie. O sea, cuando haces música y conectas, entras en ella. Como algo que ya está, ya existe.
Wake up from a dream and look around you. Look around you, see what's been missing for you to do, and let go of that veil that's stopping you from connecting to everything you knew. Everything you know. Stop paying attention to the things that make you tired, things that make you bored. Now, the power is yours. You are responsible for every situation. Stop fighting the system. The new liberation comes from the silence in you. I'll meet you there in the new world. And I found my soul in the real world. I'll meet you there in the real world.